today, so a fresh door, freshly painted. So I need to ideally keep it away from this car, but there's nowhere else for me to be. So as long as I don't push it into the door, I should be fine. So what I want to show you today are the parts that I've got for this Kraton so far. So first of all, we have I've already had a look at this thing. The Dumbo RC remotes, whatever they are, the little cheap ones. Let's see how we get on with that. It's one of the things I didn't like about the Granite was its laggy response on the remote. But I've heard that these cheap ones are actually really good. So give it the benefit of the doubt and have a look. So that's the remote and the receiver that goes with it on the gyro receiver. Right, next we have everything's falling out now. Our motor fans, probably going to need those. Sky RC ones. Tooth pinion? 34, I think it is. I think it's 34. I can't remember, it was a little while ago I ordered this. But I think it's 34. Earplugs for the centre diff. I'm not going to go mad with this, I just need to stiffen up just a little bit. Because I don't want the front wheels going ballistic, I want them sort of even. Or slightly more to the front, but not a hell of a lot. So maybe 1 or 2 plugs. Our motor. If you're wondering what that is, 1100 kV. High torque servo. Our EFC. You can see the cables were hanging out. I think my first port of call should be to unbox everything. Start with this because it's already technically half unboxed. Still wrapped on that side. If I can get in there. Holy cow, that thing's big. That thing's huge. I can't even get it out. It's absolutely ginormous. So I've used the Max 5 right now. Sorry, rephrase that. I've used the Max 6 and the Max 10, and this thing is just an absolute mammoth. So what's that? I'm gonna need that. I'm not really going to need these. Definitely not going to need them. But yeah, I'm going to admit to you, I am shocked at the size of it. It's just huge. Next is our motor. So I know a lot of people have been doing a few mods to support these things and they're sitting in the car. Very tempted to use a platform of silicone for it to sit on, because that'll stop it from smashing into the chassis pretty much. That blade's too sharp. Just carved the box up. This box is pretty damn heavy, and holy crap, that thing's big. I can't even get it out. It'll come out. Wow. This thing, I don't know why I thought this was going to be like the X-Max's one, but this thing is nothing like the X-Max's one. It's massive. Is that pinion even going to fit it? Don't think so. Might have to get a new one. Not sure what size pinion I need. It's an 8mm shaft on that. Wow. So, right, 8mm shafts. We'll look into opinion for that, but for now, until it's up and all bolted together, opinion's the least of my worries. Alright, next we have steering survey. Let me tell you that this, so far, everything about this dwarfs the X-Max. I mean, that is just insane. They look like 8-gauge cables. Might be 10-gauge. Still mad. So I powered sound systems with that kind of cabling in the past, not recent, of course. That's massive. Everything is just so big. Jesus. Just pure animal. You ain't turning that. Wow. Some bits for the servo as well. This heavy motor. You can see that this fan holder could hold something far bigger. Far bigger. We'll see how we get on with this, because no idea what I'm going to have to do with this. We'll see at the time when the time comes. Bit of a shame with these, to be honest. I should have opened the motor before I actually opened this. It's too late now. Well, I haven't opened this, but you know what I mean. I should have opened the motor before I bought this. Lesson learned. But anyways, there's all the bits I'm using. So until next time, I'll do one thing at a time with this. So we'll literally, I don't even want to put that on there. So we'll literally install bit by bit at a time until it's all fully assembled. Oh, wait, hang on, there's some more. Some more somewhere. Alright, so I'm back. And the other thing I've got, new lower arms for the rear. And the reason why I bought these new lower arms for the rear is for these. So these, if I don't drop them, RPM mud flaps. It just keeps these shocks from getting disgusting, because that's always what happens on these cars. The rear shocks take all the abuse. So with these, and they're in there, it means no more abuse. Let's see how we get on with these. Yeah, so I will be very busy installing all of this. Anyways, till next time.